Hello, I'm Sharad Gupta, starting with the class 10th mathematics, and I'm starting with the chapter real numbers of class 10th. Now, in this chapter, the first topic of this is Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma. Now this is basically the formula you have already done in the lower classes, that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The same thing is here. Now let A and B be any two positive numbers. Then there exists two unique whole numbers Q and R such that A is equal to B into Q plus R, where R is the remainder and the value of the remainder will be 0 to B except B. Now when we divide, when dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, then obviously the divisor will be smaller than the dividend. Here A is called the dividend, B is called the divisor, Q is called the quotient, and R is called the remainder. So basically the formula is same. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor plus dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and the value of the remainder is always less than this divisor, always less than the divisor. I will tell you why will be less than B when we'll take the some example. After that we have Euclid division algorithm. Now it is basically the technique, it is the technique to find the SCF of the two positive integers C and D, where this number is greater than this. Now it is the technique to calculate the highest common factor, SCF, highest common factor of two positive integers C and D, and obviously the one of the number here I've taken C as greater than D. And the steps here are, to find the SCF is, we find the whole number Q and R. That is, Q and R means that is the quotient and remainder. We find the numbers Q and R, quotient and remainder, and the value of R, obviously I've already told you that, and later I'll tell you again in the example, will be greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to D. Less than D. Now if you do write like this, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and if remainder will be 0, अगर remainder आपका 0 आ जाता है तो C और D का जो SCF होगा, if R is not equal to then if R is equal to, then SCF of C and D will be equal to D, जिससे डिवाइड करा था वही होगा. Now if R is not equal to 0 means remainder अगर 0 के इक्वल नहीं आया है, now apply Euclid division lemma again to D and R. अब कौन से किस किस का निकलेगा? D और R का निकलेगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. D and R will have a good idea when I'll take the example, then it will become more clear. Now you do this process until the remainder will be 0. ये process आपको जब तक करना है जब तक कि remainder 0 ना आ जाए, जब तक कि remainder 0 ना आ जाए. So this is the basic concept of Euclid division lemma and Euclid division algorithm. Euclid division lemma is basically where dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and Euclid division algorithm is a technique to find the SCF by using the Euclid division lemma. Now let us take the exercise 1.1, and you have to find the SCF of the two given numbers by Euclid division algorithm. So when you have to find the SCF of these two numbers, we'll start with the greater number. Greater number will be the dividend, and divisor will be 135. So it is again Q, divisor is Q into the back we have taken this Q into B, or rather this Q into D, like this. C or D, it's mean the same. So into 1 plus remainder, Q into D plus remainder is of this form. because you know that if you multiply 135 by 1 and add 90 to it, you will get this. अगर आप 225 को you will divide with 135, it will be 135 and the remainder will be 0. You can do in the rough. The remainder will be this. Now because the remainder is not equal to 0, now the dividend will become, the original divisor will become the dividend. Now here you can do it. The remainder will become the divisor and the divisor, original divisor will become dividend, 135, like this here. जो पुराना वाला डिवाइजर था वो अब डिविडेंड हो जाएगा एंड द रिमाइंडर here will be 90, so it will become the divisor. Now again divided 1, that is 90. ये जब तक करना है जब तक कि रिमाइंडर 0 ना आ जाए. Again the remainder is not equal to 0. Remainder is not equal to 0, it is 45. Now again the same method, the remainder will become divisor and the original divisor will become the dividend, and now divided it will be 2. Now the remainder is 0. Now the remainder is 0, so the SCF will be 45. So for 90 you will write 45 into 2 plus 0, like this. जब आपका रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाएगा तो द डिवाइजर विल बी द SCF of the two given number. The divisor will be the SCF two given number. It is rather easy to do this in the rough column first and then you convert into this. Then it will become more easy. Let us take another. You have to find the SCF of these two numbers by the division algorithm. So again this will be the dividend and this will be the divisor. So again using the same formula, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. इसके पहले ही स्टेप में रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया. You can divide it. 38220 divided by 196. You divide it. डिवाइड करने पर 195 करने पर ये आपका रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाएगा. यहाँ पर डिवाइडेड 195 से रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाएगा. सो पहले स्टेप में रिमाइंडर 0, दैट मीन्स ये इसका SCF हो गया. सो 38220 विल बी इक्वल टू डिवाइजर इंटू क्वोशंट आपने यहाँ पे निकाल ही लिया है, प्लस रिमाइंडर 0, तो डिवाइजर जो होता है इसका SCF होता है. लेट अस टेक अनदर. The third part of it, you have to find the SCF of 867 and 225. Now again start again with the same method. This will be the dividend and this will be the divisor. So divisor is equal to, this is the quotient into, divisor into quotient plus remainder. You can divide in the rough. So it will be 867 divided by it will be 255, I think. Let us see. You should have the NCERT book with you always. You always should have NCERT book with you. When you are doing this language, it is 255. This is 255, not 225. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So it will be 255. So divide it. So it is 3. So 315 and 315 or 16, 6 or 1, 7. So I am getting the remainder as 102. I'm getting the remainder as 102. तो जैसा यहाँ करा था. Now this will become the divisor and this number will become the dividend. पुराना वाला डिवाइजर डिविडेंड हो जाता है. तो कितने से जा रहा है अभी? It is by 2. तो by 2 means 204. Now the remainder will be 51. So now it will be this will be the divisor, this will be the dividend. Now it will be divided by 2, so 102. This will be the remainder 0. So this as method of SCF we done in your lower classes. Greater number को smaller number से divide करिए. You find the remainder. If remainder is not 0, then this will be your divisor and the original divisor will be the dividend. Again divided. Again, if the remainder is not 0, then it will become the divisor and the original divisor will become the dividend and divided. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor will be the SCF. You can do it first in the rough column and then you convert into this division algorithm. ये थोड़ा सा easy हो जाएगा. So I am doing it. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now this will become the dividend and this will become the divisor as we have discussed here. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Again the remainder is not 0. The divisor will become the dividend and the divisor will be this remainder and this will be the dividend and divided the remainder 0. So the SCF will be 51. So this is the method to find the SCF by division algorithm. We'll continue the remaining questions in the next lecture. Thank you.